Samsung has released the 4th generations of its Galaxy Z Flips, and I would say the incremental wasn't that huge from the outside compared to the Samsung best-selling foldable smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3. Most of it is from the internals, and in this video, I'll show you what's new. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast episode 73. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. It shares the same design as the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3, armored aluminium frame, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, a 6.7-inch ultra-thin glass folding screen, and is IPX8 water resistant rated, dual rear camera setup with a 1.9-inch cover display. The power button doubles as a fingerprint scanner, and the volume buttons are on the right side. A single SIM card slot on the left, and support eSIM for dual network. USB-C charging port at the bottom with dual microphone and a speaker. A hole punch cutout on the top of the display that houses a 10-megapixel front camera, and the earpiece also doubles as a stereo loudspeaker. The hard-to-notice differences are the slimmer hinge mechanisms and the bezels are slightly narrower. The Z Flip4 is offered in matte glass finish and given 4 color options: graphite, pink gold, blue, and their new signature colors, the Bora Purple. Samsung also offers bespoke editions where you can customize up to 70 color combo. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 is now equipped with top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 8GB of LPDDR5 memory across the board, and up to ½ TB UFS 3.1 storage. Performance is the last thing you need to worry about this device. It still bears the same dual 12-megapixel camera, and the primary camera gets a larger 1.8 micrometer sensor, features dual pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization. The ultra-wide is the same 12-megapixel sensor with 123 degree with no autofocus. Samsung has addressed the major complaints of its predecessor, which is the battery life. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G gets a 12% battery capacity bump from 3300 mAh to 3700 mAh. Even support faster 25W fast charging instead of 15W. I had it for a few days now, and I can attest it can last longer with around 4 hours of screen on time. But if you are a heavy user, you may need to charge it somewhere in the evening. Even though the price has increased from Rm3,999 ringgit to 4,099 ringgit, it is due to the weakening Malaysia ringgit. If you order now till 30th of September, you will receive a free Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Samsung K Plus 1-year extended warranty. Samsung offers the latest hardware and polished software for foldable that makes the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G worth considering flagship smartphone that can actually fold in half. If you are coming from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3, I don't think it's worth the upgrade unless you are from a candy phone that would like to try out the folding phone for the first time. A full review will be available on my website with more camera samples and benchmark test results. The link will be in the description box below. That's all from me on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.